I'm so happy you're here, and I can't wait to share what we got going on today.
Irrelevant news.
Denise Noodles pushed me live on camera.
This is what we're gonna do.
What are we gonna do?
Yes. I'm gonna sue you with the best lawyers Keemstar provides. Either on the main event, I don't even have fucking space in the back. I don't give refreshments. I'm gonna sue you.
Look at Dennis. Look at Dennis.
I sit there patiently like a good boy and wait for my turn to get on stage. And Death Noodles does the worst thing he can do.
Literally
At least
sneak attack.
some people would respect it.
Right.
My poor wife is crying in bed scared that her husband traveled here alone and got assaulted multiple times.
I'm gonna sue you.
For pressing charges on Death Noodles and that ratchet street bitch that threw alcohol on me. We're pressing charges.
Are we talking about Miranda? Oh, they're doing the team battle now.
What's up?
What in the codependency is he?
Hold up. Get out of here. Hold up. 1 second. 1 second.
Because it's the juice. And if you don't have the juice, you don't have it. So if you don't have the juice, you can't capitalize.
Fill the room with the juice. That's a lot of loot. That bit fire. Yeah, she kinda.
Welcome back to the channel. I can't believe we're still going. I'm gonna be honest, that 50-minute video actually took me out a little bit. Just a little bit, but just got back home from a date and I obviously will be going to the gym. So I said, if we're going to the gym, why not have a mask moment and take our time and hop into this. What do you even want to call this? Because at this point, there are no names. There are no names. First, Death Noodles assaulted me. Let's hop in there. It's only 5 minutes. And then the rest, I believe, is like 25 minutes, maybe 30. I don't know. And I cannot remember. But we're just going to try to go all the way through as far as we can. Because I'm hoping this is going to be the last one. I'm hoping this will be round 3 and we'll be done. Let's hear what this man has to say first. Because honestly, like I said, y'all, I don't be knowing. So if I ever come off very like nonchalant about people, it's because I literally do not know who they are. Okay, I don't. I'm sorry. I don't know how else to say that without being rude. I'm not trying to be rude, but I really actually don't know who some of these people are.
Oh yeah, you were. Did everybody just watch what happened here? Did everybody just watch what happened? A comedian fulfilled Death Noodles' wish. Pull up or shut up, right, Dennis? I got there. I waited in that shitty closet. Heat, no drinks, assaulted twice. Dennis Death Noodles pushed me live on camera, and I promise you, we're pressing charges on Death Noodles and that ratchet street bitch that threw alcohol on me. We're pressing charges.
Are we talking about Miranda? Are we talking about Miranda? Wait, who are we talking about? Who's he talking about right there?
Twice. Keemstar, get your lawyers ready. We're fucking suing them back. 100%. I was assaulted in a comedy club for jokes. For jokes. And then when I went through that shit show, worse than the first one I'm hearing. And I sit there patiently like a good boy and wait for my turn to get on stage. And Death Noodles does the worst thing he can do.
Literally
At least
sneak attack.
some people would respect it.
Right.
If he let Slavo, who flew miles, paid lots of money to be there. Thanks, Mike. To get on stage and at least tell the jokes. Because it is pull up or shut up. Well, I pulled up and I was shut up and assaulted twice by that ratchet group of people. Now here's the thing. Now Dennis Noodles has to face the repercussions of what he did.
Dennis Noodles.
Are
you serious?
That came from Ohio and fulfilled his wish of getting on stage and roasting him. This was the worst thing he could have done. This is my biggest win of all time. And
okay, exactly the person that giggled in the background. Thank you. Because, sir, your energy. I need a break. I just need a very nice break. Also, this mask. Oh my gosh! Like, how cool is this? And it's actually really like wet. Like I wasn't expecting it to feel so like wet, but yeah, y'all, I got this on Amazon. Anyways.
Everybody was in the audience. My David's biggest win. But you know, right now it is. He's fucked. He's fucked. This is the problem. Not
Like we couldn't already tell you were in a limo. Oh, all those people just not saying nothing while you talking.
Hey, security guard, you let me get assaulted twice. What the fuck? Will, seriously, you let me get
Not Will, the security guard. Where's Chris at? Dennis, get a black security guard named Chris, please. Thanks.
assaulted twice.
I
What were you
can't.
laughing about? What if they had weapons or dirty needles?
Not weapons or dirty
They're
needles.
saying justice for Salvo.
Did the audience enjoy it? So, I'm unable to tell if it, I think it went pretty fucking great. I think it went pretty smooth. My poor wife is crying in bed scared that her husband traveled here alone and got assaulted multiple times and carried out by Bubba. See, let me break down what happened.
Wait, Bubba,
If you
is that the
didn't know
black
this
man?
audio was so fucking-
Wait, what?
99% of the people in the club was Salvo Red Bar people.
Is this a
They're
club?
not a joke. We all saw it. I get on stage. Deaf Noodles is stalling. His hands are shaking.
Doing
He's got
something.
sweaty palms. He doesn't know what the fuck he's doing. He's nervous.
Palms are sweaty.
He finally
Oh,
reluctantly
spaghetti.
gives me the mic. And I
Mom's
knew their
spaghetti
games were
is
gonna be played.
nervous.
I knew that they were going to cut
Calm
the
and
audio,
ready
cut the
to
stream or
drop
something.
bombs.
But what came into fruition is honestly worse. He doesn't let me talk. He's got his little lame gay people off to the side telling me free jokes. I didn't even get a chance to speak.
Not
And he had a
lame gay
security
people.
guard carry me off the stage. And the security guard specifically told me
What
he was
security
told
guard?
to do so. So Dennis Noodles, pull up or shut up. You had this big organized plan to silence me and not let me talk. Bad luck. I honestly hope everybody that tuned in and everybody that in there at least had a spectacle. The crowd was rowdy. I had 3
Rowdy?
Red Bar fans were singing. They were nuts.
What a nice word to use.
Literally get thrown out. Because Deaf Noodles had his ratchet people picking fights in the back.
Meryl's ratchet.
That crowd was rowdy.
Rowdy.
It was scary.
Ratchet.
And it
Scary.
was a race war in a way.
Oh.
But he can really had a good time. I had a lot of fun. And I'm glad I made a scene before. Because imagine if I was sitting there playing by his rules. Like imagine if I got there and I was a good comic and I sat there. Even though I'm the main event, I don't even have fucking space in the back. I don't give refreshments. That's how Deaf Noodles is treating these comics, by the way. The main event is thrown out in no water or anything. Bro. So I'm sitting there, and imagine if I played
He's
by his
broke.
rules, and then I didn't say anything, and I'm just waiting to roast him. Then I get on stage and I get thrown out. Sometimes you gotta not play by the rules when you're dealing with these bad fucking individuals like Dennis Noodles. So yeah, Slavo made a scene and took over his comedy show for sure. That's great. But sometimes you have to do that when you're fighting an uphill battle against legit evil. And that's what happened tonight. So hope everybody had a good time. I will be talking to my lawyers. We will be filing a lawsuit. And
Not them
I'm on that
giggling.
comedy club. This is what's gonna happen now, Dennis. You understand here? I'm gonna sue you with the best lawyers Keemstar provides. And we're taking that fucking office from you. And you're gonna move back to Brazil in your third world fabula hut where you and your fucking mush-brain papa lives. And you'll fucking end up going crazy in Brazil in that third world country. Because you decided to assault me and not play by the rules. Thank you all for tuning in. I had a good time being here. Let me take the camera and audios, and I'll be on Twitter retweeting all the clips. Thank you.
Okay, but your little friends just giggling in the background, really just showing that they do not care about anything that you're saying. But, okay, Dennis. See how high your enemy count gets. Because, this body count is looking, I don't know, like a F-boy on F Island. It's looking high. It's getting there, ain't it? It's getting there.
Bitch, you got on a captain's hat and you don't even own a car. Shut the fuck up. What are you talking about? With your old goofy ass. Get her the fuck out of here. What the fuck are you talking about? Really? You wish you could use the word slim in your nickname, you fat bitch. You better shut the fuck up. Looking like a corpse that we pulled up off the river. What the fuck? What is wrong with her?
I'm not even gonna lie, the guy on the right, the one that's been screaming, he looks so familiar. It's actually scaring me. I'm like, I feel like I know that man. It's tripping me out. Look at Miranda.
Really? Can you write?
Just peeking through.
You can read? What's that? What's that? You got your phone out? You trying to show everyone back in Alabama how cool you are? You goofy ass bitch.
Look at Dennis.
What is she doing? She's got too many chins to be talking to me right now. This is fucked up. No, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Now we're fat shaming.
Body check. She's allowed to talk shit. One sec. Hold up. Get her out of here. No, hold up. One second. Yo, Corey, hold up. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 fucking second. The show isn't gonna move. Give it to Corey.
Not you. 1 second. 1 second. Joins in with the crowd. Red bar. Dennis, you are the epitome of just a Pisces. Just both fishes. Just don't even know what direction to go. You know, I get it. I'm the same way.
Red bar. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Corey, you're about to give her a mic. Just bring her on stage. She wants to talk so much. Bring her on stage. She seems so intelligent. Let her talk. What's up, big mama? Come on stage.
Y'all are like actually, I don't want to say bullying her because she's a woman, but the energy is giving. It's the misogynistic energy. Oh my god. Whoo. When are these alpha men gonna die? Not actually die, but when is that whole facade, like that whole, like, I'm an alpha man, I fuck these bitches, man, I fuck all day, like I got every bitch I wanna fuck, look at all the bitches I fuck. Like, when is that gonna die? I'm so tired. I'm very tired. Is that gonna die at any point, or is that just like the new? Is that just the? Is that like? Are we accepting that now? I'm fucking sick of it. Look at Corey trying to. You want to talk? Come on, get on stage. Come on, big stuff. Why would you even want to go with them saying all of that? Oh, she's one of those. Okay, I get it now. Vibe. Is her name really Abby? She looks like Abby.
Okay, what's her name?
Abby.
Where are you from, Abby?
My mom's vagina.
We're not really gonna hear her if you guys keep yelling. Where are you from?
My mother's vagina.
Nice. How long of a trip down to Florida you two for to get over there?
I don't know. I ask questions.
Great. Anyway, take a best shot. Whatever you want to say it. Go for it, baby.
What you got, Mom? Spaghetti?
Mom, spaghetti. Mom, Evie, tongue. I can't. Mom, spaghetti. He's nervous. She can say anything and they're gonna like hype her up.
Wait it out. I just know she has problems with cardio.
She has problems with cardio. Okay. Of course not. You're a woman. They're not gonna give you a mic that actually works. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. And then you're sitting there going back to roast the men in the audience, because all you can roast for the woman is that she's big. Okay, that was it. So then you put your attention elsewhere. This is so, like, I really miss like men that made me just be like, damn, like I want to learn like what you're doing. Like I want to learn. You know, like learn. Like, it's very hard to find that type of intellect now, because what is this? I mean, and let's be honest. Let's really be honest. Okay, Dennis is 37. In his late 30s. Whew. Lord, help me. If y'all don't get her a mic that works, I don't even know what she said.
Let me tell you something. MJ, let me tell you something. There is absolutely no way you're going to win this, because they all have tickets. They all bought tickets. They all know each other. I just want to thank the captain of the SS Fat Tank.
Another fat shame. I can feel the love. I can feel it. I can't. I'm sorry.
Fuck off, UFC, that little fucking midget!
Hey, body shaming, unacceptable.
Body shaming.
Let's keep moving.
It's
Okay.
it's like that little, it's like that I don't know, I can't even think about the people, but you know, like back in the day where there was like that bigger person and there was just always someone picking on that big person, like middle school, elementary school, like just constantly saying something like, oh my gosh, well, you can't have too many chicken nuggets now, can you? Like, you know what I mean? Like it's that energy. Like, it's just like you just keep bringing up like, okay, she's a bigger woman, what else? Like, that's as far as your brain can go? Like, that's let me shut up. I
Yes. This is what we're going to do.
what are we gonna do?
Yes. Thank you so much. Please. MJ, give me a sec. We're going to move on to the next act. This shit gets derailed. Put a caution sign down because the floor is wet because old sweaty Betty just fucking tripped all over the stage. Okay, give me a sec, please.
You are so foul.
All right, folks. We're going to move on.
Oh my god, it's scary. This is scary. That guy right there is scary. The way he just like said all that. Because the thing is, you're not actually roasting. Like, you're just being mean at this point. You're just bullying. And then you're just like saying hi to people in the crowd, like, hey, hi. Like, I'm actually scared of you. I'm actually scared of you. Like, if you said something that was along, like maybe the tattoos that are on her arm, like, again, just pull something else out. But you're just focusing on the fact that she's big. So, like, you actually don't think you did anything wrong. Which is why you have the confidence to stand up there and be like, hey, yeah, sweaty Betty. Like, you know what I mean? Like, because let's be honest, there are people in this world that don't think that there's anything wrong with calling big people out. Like, fully aware of that energy, and I fully know about it. So, what an interesting little...
If you want refreshments, we got it right here. El Borracho,
Oh, they got refreshments?
I don't give refreshments. I'm gonna sue you.
Where to go?
I know you lying.
Thank everybody for coming out. Shout out to Red Bob. Shout out to everybody who's stream sniping right now. I appreciate you. So that's what we're gonna do. We're waiting on the next act because they're not here. How you doing, bro? Doing good? Huh? Shit. That's it. No, I'm okay. Not anymore. No.
Dennis doesn't drink?
Go ahead.
Dennis doesn't drink? Not that there's anything wrong with people that don't drink, but it takes me back to this date I went on where I didn't know the guy drank until I got on the date. And then he was like getting me drinks, but I was like, but you're not drinking. And he was like, oh yeah, no, I don't drink. And I'm like, so I'm just gonna drink? He's like, yeah, you can drink, it's fine. And I didn't think anything of it, but by the end of that night, I'm dead. By the end of that night, I didn't really like that. Like, I didn't like the energy. Like, I felt like I should have not drank. You know what I mean? Like, not to say you have to drink, but I feel like people that really stop drinking, like people that are really, really like, no, like I stopped drinking, like I had to stop. Like there's a reason they had to stop. You know what I mean? Like there's something that transpired to where like they literally had to stop because it was like feeding their addictions or like building up to like whatever like mischief that they couldn't stop doing. You know what I mean? So like anytime somebody's like, oh no, I don't drink, or I stopped drinking, like I'd be like, ooh, what happened? Like, cause I always have a story. Like anytime I'm like, I'm not drinking anymore, I have a story. I'm like, listen, we can't do it no more. I gotta chill. You know what I mean? So when other people do it and they don't say anything, they're just like, oh no, I don't drink. I'll be like, ooh, what demons you got hidden? Let me see them. I want to see them. Do I recognize them? Probably I do. But do I? You know, I be wanting to get in that book. Yeah. I can see him getting mad though. He looked like somebody who would drink and get mad. Like, yeah. I hate everybody. Oh, y'all bringing Arthur back out? Oh my Lord. Miranda just standing outside that window like. So we really just waiting? Like, they really waiting. I'm about to go make me a drink if that's the case. Because, I mean, child. It's about to go down. Oh no. Now Arthur ain't got no shirt on and he got glasses on. Put your shirt on.
It's maxed out. Hello. It's just really loud in here.
Okay, pause. Okay. So somebody had said that Elliot needs to stop like spit out his gum. The second I saw him, like, I was like, oh, he's on drugs. Like, it immediately just hit me. I'm like, oh, that's why he chewing that gum like that. I mean,
Can you turn up that? You see that last knob over there?
you want something?
Turn it up.
Hold on. That's as high as it gets. Here, let's do this. Let's do the following.
Adam, yikes. Adam, I just see you pop up in that comment chat. Every time.
Team battles. Okay. Miranda.
Oh, they're doing the team battle now. What in the codependency is he?
Elliot, take it off. You have a better body. Shirts versus skins. Shirts versus skins. Take it off.
Take it off. All right, do it. Take it off. All right, do it. Take it off.
Take it off. Everybody make it loud for Elliot Mac Daddy. Yay!
This is a hot mess. This is a hot mess. It's making me feel very just. This is. You know what, Miranda? Miranda. I'm gonna need you to calm down, Miss Man. I'm gonna need you to calm down, Miss Man, because listen, you're making my mind wander, Miss Ma'am.
Alright, this is, I don't think any of you have been to a show like this, so shout out to you. Okay, so heads or tails, please. Let's try to have some order in this show. Heads or tails?
Tails.
Hey Siri, flip a coin. It is heads. You said heads?
Yeah, I said heads.
No, you said tails. Alright, Miranda, who's starting? You guys going 2 on 2? One joke. Alright.
Okay, hi. You look like you cut off your pubes and glued them to your chest.
JP, you don't look like you grow pubes, so you had to glue her pubes to your face.
It's Miranda.
You know, let's get back to the first joke. Because you know I'm stuck there. I am stuck on that first joke. Because the thing is like that shows that like you don't know black hair types, right? You don't know black hair types. You don't know black people. You're not educated on that type of like area. Not to say every single white person needs to be, but like that's why that joke didn't come off the way it should have came off. Because like, sir, let me be quiet. Let me just stop.
Wow, you look like a really buff baby right now.
You look like a really ugly baby right now. Who the fuck are you talking to?
He's got bigger boobs than you.
Yeah, fuck you, Miranda! You suck!
JP clearly never heard of ladies first, or he hasn't figured out what Miranda identifies.
Oh, okay. So the audio out again. Okay. Okay.
Fuck you, Robin, motherfucker, nigga.
Did he just fall?
I'm gonna take these boots. That was a good pratfall. Shout out to you, bro. Good pratfall. Yeah, go.
Sure. Oh, I know that Elliot's very attracted to himself, which makes sense because you have a little boy face.
Speaking of little boys,
Wait. I know that Elliot is very attracted to himself, and it makes sense because he has a little boy face. You know, if you listen close enough, people tell on themselves in all situations. Hell, even me. Because what was that? Sir.
yeah, it's homophobic. I'm gonna unalive myself. Anyways, JP nannies a disabled kindergartner. He also dresses him. The kindergartner dresses fun.
You suck.
I do suck. After this, in an alley. Meet me there. Be there. Wait, no, I'm looking closer. You look like a trucker's grandma.
Look at Dennis.
Oh, so he can
Look
say-
at Dennis.
he can-
Okay, all right. We're gonna call this round. Okay, give it up for Elliot and Yama. All right, give it up for Miranda and JP. You guys won, so you're gonna go against each other. You're gonna go against each other. All right, that's it. You guys lost. Yeah. All right, thank you. All right. So Miranda made it to the final once again. Congratulations.
What even was that?
Okay. That's my cousin.
How old are these people? How old is Miranda?
We're gonna do. Yeah, it's maxed out. The people are just loud in here. That's why I didn't even expect this. I gotta get better speakers. Shout out to all of you. I'm gonna use the money I get from this to buy better speakers. Okay, so. All right. You bumped it up? Okay. All right.
Can't with them.
So,
It's weird when you start your own chants.
okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Heads or tails? Heads or tails?
I'll do tails.
Hey, Siri, flip a coin. Okay. Heads. Heads. You said heads? You
Am I
said
allowed
heads,
to
yeah?
cancel it for misgendering me?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
Miss.
You piece of shit.
Am I allowed to cancel him for misgendering me?
Tiny mini erection. I'm non-binary. I got painted nails.
Wait. I don't even know what was said, but I don't know. Let me be quiet, because I don't know.
Okay, let's get this battle rolling with JP first and then Miranda.
You look like a thrift store swamp witch.
They took out Miranda's whole joke. Miranda, girl, what are you saying? Girl. Very Angelica of you. You're looking evil.
Happy being sexless.
Okay. Do what
I'm
said.
sexless and good. Miranda looks like she grows mushrooms on her. Yeah, right now.
JP's friend just died and he wants kids. JP can't handle his friend.
They ain't even letting the girl talk. I think they don't care because it's like y'all are deaf people, so.
Dad, how are you gonna handle when your kids kill themselves?
Yeah, that's messed up.
Hell, fuck it. He's happy you're dead. He's a really good son. Now I get to decide. It's my friend. I get to decide when it's too soon. You piece of shit.
This is a hot mess. Hot mess.
Miranda grew up on 6 Mile in Michigan, which is also how far away you can stand and still hear her.
JP's mom works at a pro-abortion clinic. She was 25 years too late.
Ciao.
All right, we're gonna call right there. Give it up for Miranda. Give it up for JP.
I don't even think they care anymore.
It was a tie, kind of. It was, no. Sounds like it was kind of a tie. We'll do a sudden death.
Sudden death.
We'll do a sudden death.
Sudden death.
All right,
Freaking
so
death.
Start off with Miranda. One joke
I
apiece,
just
and
can't.
that's it.
They are so disrespectful. It's crazy.
What the fuck?
Right.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. JP, it looks like somebody drew him, but only drew scribbles.
Miranda looks like a shaved
Bye.
orangutan.
I'm tired.
Thank you all for tuning in. I had a good time being here. Let me take the camera and adios.
Pulling out the coupe in the lot.